correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that warrants fixing. Hey guys, welcome back. On this episode, I think we're going to address the issue underneath here. Need to get it ground down, and I think there's an issue with that spacer right there we need to take off, and get that ground down and get it ready for paint. And we may also come in here, clean this off. We can see, clean this off in here and start painting this and this in here, the inside kick panel and that Rush Performer black, and then take this body deadener stuff, take it off and spray this whole thing black underneath here. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I do have good news on the hinges. I've been in contact with Wild Horse's Bronco, and they're sending me a hinge rebuild kit. So we'll get those put in soon. Whenever it gets here, we'll finish the hinges. Need to get a press. So this week I may go get a press from Harbor Freight, and that way we can press the pins out and drill them and get them ready for the brass bushings, and we can press the pin in. But I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I need to go up there this week. But regardless, we got stuff we can do underneath the dash here. Just kind of get it looking good on this side at least, because we're still messing with this side. This side's in if you just joining us. And I don't know if I should have did that or not, because door pillar, I don't know if it's gonna work too well. But anyways, kind of rambling on. We may even go up here and start sanding this area right here down. Not sure why it's like that, but we got some rust. We got to make sure there's no rust holes. So we may do that too today as well. So a lot more sanding and just kind of tidying stuff up. And once we get the hinges, we'll be ready to mess with the door again. And thinking of that, we need to come back over here and finish welding up our door pillar. But till then, I think we'll just do some sanding and painting, getting this look better. I'm probably going to sand this back down right through here and this whole top area. Got a bunch of this goop stuff that needs to come out, so we'll get that out too. But anyways, let's head over there and get to work. Kind of side note here, but that's what the dash looks like when it was dried. I think it turned out pretty well. I'm pleased with it. Could use some more paint through here, but our patch doesn't look too bad. Well, don't have very good news. Start off all right, that's okay. We got a hole right here, and then we got a hole right here. And correct me if I'm wrong, but have a hole here. And is this supposed to be welded to that? Because there's a lot of give in that right there. So I am kind of debating on if I should try to take the dash out. There's a bolt there, then these bolts through here, get it off, and then right here. I think that's the only thing, maybe. I don't know. But to fix it properly, I need to be able to get behind it and replace a lot of metal through there. So, that being said, we may spray these down with some penetrating fluid. These as well. I'll take the steering column out. I don't want to do that just yet, but I guess I might have to. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that warrants fixing. At least these 3 spots through here. And straighten the metal out a little bit. It's real wavy through there. But give me y'all's thoughts on that. Got a little bit more time out here, so I think I'm gonna go up under the dash and try and knock that thing off. Probably take these out, start cleaning it off a little bit. Well, I didn't find anything out of the ordinary down here. That's kind of bright. Except for all those holes. For some reason I don't think all of them are needed. Like these two, that one, and some of those up there. Let me know if I'm wrong, but we may plug those up. Couldn't get that out. Those are stuck, so might have to drill or something. Or get one of those bits that are supposed to take out strip screws. Get one of those and try it. See if it actually works. But yeah, nothing too surprising. Everything looks good. You get the bottom part. But that started spitting water again. I need to drain the water out of my tank, which I might do that tonight. I think I might need to get this off. And I got on there pretty good. So may try to take this off right quick. And our hoop over there that we don't need anymore, I don't think. And I might call it a night. I don't know. Let's try to get those off right quick. we got this taken off, but when I pulled it off, went through it. Anyways, it tore 2 little holes in there, so we had to weld it up. I think it turned out pretty good. And over here, do some grinding to get that one off. But see, it pulled apart right there. Now we got a hole we have to fix up right there. Well, at least it's off of there now. Kind of clean up a little bit today. I need to come back and grind these down, especially right here. Grind that off. Just need to do some cleanup. But yeah, did a little bit under the dash. Found out we have rust holes in this piece. This piece looks pretty bad as it sits. Let me know in the comments, should I try to take the dash out and start replacing metal on the back here, or would you just leave it in and go with it like it is? Me personally, I don't really like it like that. I don't know how hard the dash is to take out and put back in. I don't want to get another situation like this. Anyways, a little bit done, just mainly just busy work. I think next time we'll finish out underneath there and may come down on this and start grinding this down, making sure there's no holes in this or this. Need to get all this, whatever that factory, I guess, body sealer. Looks like they just dripped it all over top here, and it was running down the sides and everything. See how thick it is right there? But we'll get to that next time. But that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far. See you next time.